Hello, my name's Jill Wilson. I work with Leggett Estate Agents here in this beautiful part of Provence. Today we are in the village of Cotignac, one of the most beautiful villages in France, and this property is located about a 10-minute walk from the village. It's in a wonderful location with fabulous views. The property has a lovely big living room with a kitchen off, 4 bedrooms, all en suite with shower rooms, a fabulous infinity pool and surrounded by its own land. Cotignac has everything. It's renowned internationally. It also has a really lovely French flavour. It has lots of restaurants and bars and activities. It's alive all year. There's a weekly market on a Tuesday, really popular with everybody. And if you want a wonderful, beautiful, lively village, this is a place to be. If you would like more information on this lovely property, or you would like to make a visit with me, you will see on the link below this video, and I look forward to seeing you soon.